Hello everybody, today we're at Sam's Club to check out this Cosco 2-in-1 folding hand truck and cart. And here we have a demo over here as well. So now let's actually test it out. So first of all, you can unlatch the handle just like this. And then you can unfold the resting pad on the bottom to make it into a cart. Now this can hold up to 300 pounds, so it's pretty awesome. Now what you can also do is unlatch this green part all the way to the other side with this click. And as you can see in the picture, you can use it just like this. Pretty awesome. And by pressing this blue button, you can actually extend the handle as well. So this is a pretty versatile product. And now you can see I can fold it back up into a compact version just like this. So unlatch and then fold the handle into this cart and then fold this down, and then you can, by pressing this button, you can unlock the handle so that I can fold it down into a pretty compact form factor. So this is a pretty awesome product, and if you want to buy this, I have a product link provided in the description box below. Make sure to give this video a like, share, and subscribe. See you guys next time. See ya.